Hi there, we're back and we're gonna do a quick sauce. So I started looking in my refrigerator and I use a lot of fresh herbs. I think they really make the world go round. Oh, by the way, you're at Jana Eats and it's gluten and casein free all day, all the way, food for all. Whoop, whoop. So anyway, I was going through my fridge and I had a bunch of herbs and I thought, oh, what am I gonna do? And I had a wrinkled jalapeno and a piece of an onion and a couple garlic cloves, and I thought I'm just going to make a sauce. And this sauce would be good on anything. It's going to have cilantro in it, so it'd be good on grilled chicken, grilled fish, my turkey burgers, maybe the chipotle popper video would be great. So I'm just going to throw in a clove of garlic. I'm just going to rough chop this onion. I'm just going to let the Vitamix do the work. Take the jalapeno. I did take the seeds out of the jalapeno just in case it's super hot. We're going to do a bunch of these chives. Yummy chives. You could do Italian parsley. I've got a few decrepit leaves of basil in, right? I've got a nice bunch of cilantro. Now, the great thing about cilantro is you don't have to pick the leaves off the stems because it's one of the few herbs where the stem isn't bitter. I've got a bunch of mint, so I'm going to put some mint in here. You do need to pick the leaves off of these stems. Oop, oop, oh, that smells. I so often wish we had smell-o-vision. Smells so good and fresh. I love mint, cilantro, basil. They all go together, you know. It's just, so you don't have to be too cautious on this. So here, so that's good. So the other thing too, I thought, well, you know, I've got an avocado in my fridge, so why not put part of that in there? So, and even if it's a little dark, so what? Just cut it out, squeeze it in, and see that? Did you see how I did that? I just took the avocado and squeezed it right out of the skin. So you didn't have to scoop, you didn't have to do anything. It's its own neat little vehicle. So I'm going to start with a cup of olive oil with our sauce. And this will keep in the fridge for at least a week or two, but hopefully it won't last that long because you're eating it, right? And then it needs some acid, so I've just got like a half a lemon that I found in my fridge. This is called clean out the fridge sauce. How's that? Yeah. Definitely invest in a citrus squeezer if you haven't. Love me some citrus squeezer. And I'm going to put a little bit of red wine vinegar, and I'll measure it for you non-chefy types. So let's see, let's do 3 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3. Great. And a little salt. I'm going to put a teaspoon of salt in here. Make sure it's good salt, right? We've already learned that. Sea salt or ground salt. Salt from the salt mines too, like Himalayan. Okay, so we're going to turn on the Vitamix and turn on the sauce. Okay, let's taste our creation. Wow, I'm always so surprised. Why would I be surprised? OMG, it's delicious just the way it is. I can taste the jalapeno, but it's not hot. And the cilantro, the creaminess of that avocado, really good fats in there. What a healthy, delicious, perfect sauce. You know what? Make some and let me know what you eat it on. You know what? This would even be good just dipped with chips or something. What if you made nachos with the sweet potato cheese sauce and then put this on the side? Wow. Anyway, come back next week. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe, like, listen, eat, all that good stuff. And I'll see you next Wednesday with another great meal idea from Jana Eats. See you then.